Ever lost weight, only to watch it slowly come back? That's not failure. That's your brain doing its job. Your brain has one priority: survival. When weight drops fast, your brain thinks you're in danger, and it activates protection mode. It increases hunger hormones. It lowers metabolism. It makes food feel more rewarding. Not because you're weak, but because the brain wants weight back. Diet hard. Lose weight. Brain panics. Cravings rise. Weight returns. And every cycle teaches the brain weight loss is unsafe. You can't out-willpower biology. The brain always wins if it feels threatened. Weight stays off when weight loss feels boring, slow, and safe. Consistent meals, enough calories, low stress, repeatable habits. If this finally explained your weight regain, like this video. Subscribe to FlipFit yourself. We teach weight loss your brain doesn't fight. Comment "safe loss" if you're done starting over.